up guys, Luis Velez here. In this video I'm going to show you the #1 app that I personally use to make money. The app that I use to make money is on food delivery part. So if you like to make deliveries, if you like to drive, if you like to earn an extra buck, this video is for you. The app that we're going to use at this moment is Doordash. Doordash is an app that I have been using for quite a while, like 2 months, something like that. And I have paid so far $1,250. And I have proof of payment so that I'm going to show you right now. These are my current earnings. I don't know if you can see that. And all of that, all the earnings that I have been making since I started on Doordash. So in this video I'm going to show you the process, how to swipe whenever you're making the delivery. How's the process, how do you go to point A to point B, how do you do all the deliveries. Stay tuned. Well guys, let's start Doordash.
Head northwest on McGee Trafficway. Take the second right onto Southwest Boulevard, then turn right onto Central Street.
Well, we have our first order. Next thing we do is swipe.
Head north on Central Street toward West 21st Street, West 21st Street, then turn left onto Southwest Boulevard. Continue on Emmanuel Cleaver 2 Boulevard for 3/4 of a mile.